We'll guide you through how to do triangle mask in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To perform a triangle mask effect in CapCut, start by launching the CapCut desktop application on your Windows device to begin the creative journey. Navigate to the sign-in option located on the top left dashboard area. Select Google Login for a fast and secure authentication process, which is convenient. Choose your preferred Google account from the selection prompt today without delay. Click Continue to grant the necessary permissions for the software to operate properly. Use the browser pop-up to return successfully to your workspace once you have authenticated. Access the advanced editing features and cloud assets now that you're logged in. Open a new project to enter the primary editing interface for this task. Click the Import button to begin loading your raw footage into the media panel. Browse your local files to locate the specific media required now. Highlight both your primary subject clip and your triangle graphic asset together carefully. Select Open to add these files to your active project library today for editing. Drag your main video clip onto the primary track of the timeline at the bottom. Place your triangle asset onto the layer timeline directly above the video clip layer. Stretch the triangle clip to match the full duration of your video footage perfectly. Locate the blend section found within the basic settings on the right side menu window. Change the blend mode to Darken to begin the masking effect on your footage. Scale the triangle to fit your desired ratio and center it over the subject. Play the video preview to ensure the triangle mask fits the scene perfectly well. Hit the export button in the upper right corner to finalize your work now. Adjust the output resolution to 1080p for high-definition clarity for the viewers. Set the bitrate to a higher value to maintain sharp image quality throughout. Choose the H.264 codec to ensure maximum device compatibility today for all users. Select MP4 as your preferred container format for sharing on various social platforms. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth and fluid motion playback for everyone. Click the Final Export button to start the rendering process for your file. Your professional video is ready, and you can share it with the entire world today.